Welcome student. I am Mr. Abhijit Bamre, working as assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College Jawhar. In last video, we are discuss what is solid dose form. That is tablet, then capsule, powder, dusting powder, lozenges. What is tablet? Tablet are uncoated and coated, then capsule, hard coated capsule and soft coated capsule, then powder, their importance, an example of lozenges or example of tablet. Dose form, as we know, pharmaceutical product marketed under different dosage form. Actually, dosage form classify on the basis of their physical properties. They are classified into main four type, that is solid dose form, second one semi solid dose form, third one liquid dose form, and fourth one gaseous dose form. Today we are going to discuss semi solid dose form. Let's move. It is an classification of dosage form, that is solid dose form, then semi solid dose form, liquid and gaseous form. Today we are discuss semi solid dose form, that is cream, paste, gel, suppositories. Let's move. Semi solid dose form. First we start with definition of semi solid dose form. What is semi solid dose form? Actually, they are contain one or more active ingredient dissolve or uniformly disperse in a suitable base. The active ingredient, that is actual drug, they are dissolved or either they are dispersed in a suitable base. Next, semi-solid dose form normally presented in the form of cream, then paste, gel, ointment and suppositories. Semi-solid are the top dose which are used for the topical route, or they are used for the purpose of therapeutic purpose, either protective, or some are used as cosmetic. Therapeutic means therapeutic purpose means helping to cure an illness or for relaxation, for better feeling. They are applied to the skin. Then protective means to prevent something or something from being a damage. Got it? Then cosmetic. As we know, cosmetic are those substances or chemical substances or drugs which are make us look more attractive. In another or in simple word, semi-solid doses are dermatological preparation. Actually, semi-solid dose form are dermatological preparation which are meant to be applied to the skin to achieve desired topical effect. They are designed to deliver drug into the skin for their desired dermatological effect. It means to therapeutic use or for a therapeutic purpose, means to cure, to relaxation, for a better feeling. Then protective means protected from some microorganism, then cosmetic to look more attractive, etc. It's all about solid dose form and their example. Let's move or let's see one by one. Cream. Cream are defined as semi-solid dose form containing one or more drugs, substances dissolve or disperse in a suitable base. Cream are semi-solid emulsion of oil and water. They are actually cream are emulsions. There are two types. One is oil in water and second water in oil. Cream is a semi-solid dose form. Cream are used for uh, here example Pond's cream are used for cosmetic purpose, and another cream that is they are used for a antiseptic purpose. Cosmetic use example of cosmetic cream is Pond's, and another purpose of cream dose form is antiseptic. They are used as antiseptic, or we called they are used for medicated purposes or medicated cream. They contain actually antiseptic cream contain active pharmaceutical ingredient. Antiseptic means there are two type of cream. One is used for a cosmetic purposes and one is used for a antiseptic purposes. Antiseptic cream. Antiseptic means a cream that prevent cut from a becoming infected. They destroy the microorganism or they protect skin from the microorganism. It's all about cream. Cream is a semi-solid dose form. They are used for therapeutic purpose, they are used for protective purposes, and they are used for the cosmetic function. Next, paste. Semi-solid preparation meant for external application to the skin. In general, paste are used for a external application to the skin, that is dermatological use. Then they contain large amount of finely powdered solid like starch, then zinc oxide, calcium carbonate, etc. They are thick and do not melt at normal temperature. Starch, zinc oxide, calcium carbonate, they are thick or paste dose form. It is thick and they do not melt at normal temperature. Example, star paste and toothpaste. Here is one example of medicated toothpaste. It contain actually toothpaste, it contain hydrophilic toothpaste, it contain hydrophilic adhesive powder which swell by absorbing the water. Paste are two type. Paste is a semi-solid dose form. There are two type. One is used for external application to the skin, or it is used for topical route, and another is toothpaste or medicated toothpaste. Next, gel. These are aqueous colloidal solution of hydrated form of insoluble medical or medicants. Example, Digene. Well-known example is Digene. Digene is a gel which are used, or it contain Daijin. It contain active pharmaceutical ingredient which provide a highest acid neutralizing capacity. Daijin is an antacid that can be used for treating indigestion, or it is used for good digestion or during the acidity. Then a gel is a semi-solid that can, or that can have properties ranging from soft, weak to hard and tough. It is used for medication. Some gel are used as medical product. Some gel are used as lubricant, or some gels are used as a miscellaneous application. Volney gel is an example of gel dose form or semi-solid dose form. Volney gel, we know, is used for a pain relief, to provide effective relief from muscle pain, strain, cramps, etc. Next, ointment. They are greasy or oily semi-solid preparation, usually medicated, that can be applied extremely to the skin in order to heat or to protect the skin. Then ointment contain drug within oily bases such as soft and hard, paraffin, wool, then fat. Example of ointment: Zendu balm is an example of ointment, and another example is Povidone iodine ointment, USP cream. In semi-solid dose form, today we are discuss what is semi-solid dose form. Semi-solid dose form are those dose form are used for a dermatological preparation. Those are dermatological preparation which are meant to be applied on the skin to achieve topical desired effect. They are designed to deliver drug into the skin for a desired dermal effect. Actually, ointment and cream are greasy, where gel and paste are non-greasy. Example of ointment, that is Povidone iodine. It is an antiseptic. Actually, it is an antiseptic ointment that help to provide infection, that help to protection against variety of germ that can be actually microorganism infection. They are protect from microorganism. They are protection against a variety of germ that cause infection in minor cut, scrap, or in burn. It's all about semi-solid dosage form. Example, cream, then paste, gel, and ointment. Thank you.